Hi, I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my Nordstrom anniversary sale picks. Usually I wait until I have shopped the sale and then share the objects with you that I've purchased, the items, the objects. This year I will be shopping online, so I decided to go ahead and just put this video up early. I will put up on the screen when you can shop depending upon your tier level. You have to have a Nordstrom card. And the earliest shopping is from July 9th through 14th for icons, July 10th through 14th for ambassadors, and for influencers, July 11th through 14th. I am an influencer. I do not spend anything on my Nordstrom card except during the anniversary sale. So before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, my name is Melinda. If you're returning, thank you so very much for coming back. I would love it if you would just take 1 second, hit that subscribe button down below, and let's get into this. I know I sound horrific. Again, it is just allergies. I'm not sick. I do have a can of sparkling water to kind of help my voice along here today. But yes, I will be shopping online. I am going to be having surgery on my hand shortly before the sale is live to me. And I can think of nothing scarier than trying to pick things out in a store and having a whole bunch of people near my hand. So that is why I'm shopping online and doing this video early. I want to start with beauty. And most of these things I own or have purchased in the past, and I'll tell you the things that are on my wish list. So the first thing is the Drybar Detox Dry Shampoo. This is a double size. I am definitely getting this. I get this every single year. It is $28.14. It is normally $42. And I will be inserting pictures, which you will know because I will have already inserted a picture of the shampoo. The next one is the Fresh Lip Tint and Treat Trio. This I will not be purchasing because I have this and I really enjoy it. You get a mint, a light pink, and I think a red one. It's a really good deal, $27. After the sale it will be up to $41. The next one, I love this, and this is a great travel size, or if you just want to try this, this is what I use on my brows. The Benefit Big Time Brow Mini, and this you get the little wand with the kind of like a little mascara wand, and you get the pencil as well. It is $22. It normally is $30. This one is definitely on my wish list. It shouldn't be. I should not be buying any eyeshadow, but it's on my list. The colors are so pretty. The MAC Cosmetics eyeshadow kit, and I think it comes in at a really good price, $39, and it will be $59 after the sale. This I buy every single year on this sale, and this is the YSL Lash Clash Extreme Duo Mascara Set, and that is what I'm wearing in almost every video you see me in. I love this mascara. It's fabulous, and you get two mascaras for $43. They retail for $64. I will be linking the black. There is also a brown if you prefer a brown one. Well, I'll just link both of them, but be sure if you want black or if you want brown that you're reading that description there. And this one I'm very tempted. I'm very tempted, but I don't think I'm going to get it because I don't need it. I'm trying not to buy lipsticks. There's no perfume on this list. I'm very proud of myself. The NARS Afterglow Lip Duo. These colors just look so beautiful, and I love the feel of the NARS lip products. They come in at $45. After the sale they will be $64. This one I'm really on the fence with because, again, I really don't need an eyeshadow palette, but again, it's beautiful. This one is the Tom Ford Quad Eyeshadow Set with a mini lipstick duo. Why I'm on the fence for this one is one of the lipsticks is red, and I know I'll never use it, and I do have one daughter that wears red lipstick, but I'm sure I've given her any set I've ever had, and that's my minimalist. So anyways, I think it's such a beautiful eyeshadow set though. It comes in at $95 and it retails for $129. Pardon me, y'all. The next one I am for sure buying, and that is the L'Occitane Shea hand, I think it's a trio, and it comes with this full-size one. I buy these all the time. This one comes in at $37.50. It is normally $65. I can't praise this lotion enough. If you get rough patches on your elbow, if you just put it on 2-3 times in one day, the next day it's gone. I don't ever have where my cuticles, like in the winter time, you know, they would split and you'd get that, it's very painful. I just keep this next to where I watch TV. I have one in my bathroom. I love it. I'm definitely picking this up. And of course that all depends on what's available still on the day that I can shop as well. The next one I use every single day, and that is the L'Occitane Almond Shower Duo. So you get a small pump that's you put in the shower, and then you get a large refill. It is a oil that is a soap, and it is really, really wonderful and feels so good on your skin. And that is what I shave my legs with. I quit using shaving cream. I found it to be very drying. This stuff is awesome. I got this one last year. I plan to get it again this year. It comes in at $49 and it is an $88 value. The next one is from Charlotte Tilbury. It is the Blush and Glow, and this one comes in at $88. It retails for $132. Or that would be the value of it is $132. You get 2 of her blushes, and you get a bronzer as well. And I did forget to write this one on here, and I'm positive I saw this on the sale, and that is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Set. If that's missing, I'm going to be really surprised because I saw it. I know I saw it. I know I added it to my wish list. I own it. I love it. I think that's just a great neutral. I don't have the price for that one because I forgot to write that one down. The final one is from Elemis, and it is the Jumbo Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. This comes in at $90, valued at $120. This is what I use every single night if I have makeup on. It feels amazing. I will put a little bit bigger than a pea-sized drop, dry skin, dry face, massage it in really good, then some warm water and a washcloth, and then I will use my First Aid Beauty Cleanser afterwards. I love this, and I got this not last year, but the year before, and it actually lasted me until this spring. So I've already replaced it, so I will not be purchasing that, but I love that. So let's move into some home items. Of course, I love a throw. I sit under a throw all year long. I keep my house very, very chilly. And the first one is from Bliss, and it is a throw blanket. It is $29.99, and it will be $45 after the sale. These come in nice, solid colors. I have tons of them. I will actually put in footage of one of mine, and they're just cozy, and I've gifted them to my daughters. Lola had one, and they're just awesome. The next one is Barefoot Dreams, the leopard blankets. I can't count how many of those that I have. I will not be purchasing any, but if you haven't tried them, they are worth the try. They do wash and dry well in the dryer, both of these. That one comes in at $119.99, and it will be $180 after the sale. The one I am the most excited to share with you, which I'm also not purchasing because I have so much of this cookware, but they have a Le Creuset 7.5 quart cast iron brazier for $289.99 after the sale, $462. I cannot praise Le Creuset cookware enough. I can't tell you how many pieces I have. I have gotten rid of all of my nonstick cookware, anything that I feel could be iffy or have chemicals in it, and I have had some of these pieces 20 plus years. You will never have to buy another brazier again, and they're very easy to clean because of the way that they have that the coating in them, and they're awesome. They're made in France. They are, if you look up a video on them, they're cast, solid, They're fabulous, and this is a really, really good price. I have been slowly purchasing Miss Minimalist a kitchen full, but she only wants the light yellow, which is extremely hard to find because it is discontinued at the moment. So let's get into the handbags. The first one I will not be purchasing because I own it, and that is the Longchamp Extra Small Lay Pliage. This is discontinued on Longchamp's website in this version, and I snapped these up last year. There were 3 colors. This year there are 2 colors. There's the black and there is the silver. I have videos on Instagram. I have reels that show what fit in these. I will not be picking up the silver because I got 3 colors last year and I got a hot pink one in leather. I love these little bags so much. You won't believe what all they fit. They come in at $134.99, and after the sale, they will be $180. Really, truly, seriously, grab it. These will definitely be gone by the time I'm allowed to shop. There was some glitch last year that let me get in early, and I grabbed the black one. And it's not going to happen this year, but I have enough of them. I think I'm good. The next one is from Olga Berg, and it is the Miranda bucket bag, and I have a strong feeling this will be gone by the time I get to shop, but I really want it. It comes in silver and in black. I would love to pick up the silver one. It is $79.99, and after the sale it will be $125. The other one that I think is absolutely adorable is JWPEI, and it is the mini abacus top handle bag, and again it's a silver crystal bag. It is so adorable. It comes in at $89.99 and it will be $129 after the sale. I only have 2 items of clothing to share with you because I have a really hard time purchasing sweaters in July. I've done it in the past. I've purchased the Barefoot Dreams cardigans. They're fabulous. I have purchased jackets, all sorts of stuff, but I'm trying to rein it in as far as the clothing goes, and I know I have plenty of summer clothes. So the first one I am definitely going to get if it is still available. I only own 1 pair of these, and I would like to have 2 for my walks in the fall and the winter, and they are the Zella Live-In Joggers. These are true to size. They have an elastic waist. They have pockets. They are super, super comfortable. They wash and dry beautifully. They come in at $42.99, and they will be $65 after. The second item I am not getting, but I am recommending because I have, I think, 3 pairs of these, and they are just great, great pants. It's from Vince Camuto, and they are the seamed back Ponte leggings, and they are thick. You can't see through them. They look more like a pant than a legging. I mean, they got the legging, shape. I mean, you're going to want to probably have some coverage, but you can't see through them. They're a nice thick weight, and these ones come in at $38.99, and they will be $59 after the sale. And I have 2 pieces of jewelry to share with you, and I thought I owned this first piece, but I don't. I have something similar. This one is the Delicate CZ Eternity Bangle, and it comes in gold or white, and I think it's sterling silver, gold plated or rhodium plated. The one I have only has the stones on the front. I was going to bring it out here to show you, but it's not the same. But I think this is a great way to try a diamond bangle, and of course it's not diamonds, but it's a great way to try it. It comes in at $44.99, and it will be $70 after the sale. And the other item, and I did not bring these out here, I meant to, but instead I wore these earrings, the 4-carat cubic zirconia earrings. These come in at $32.99. They will be $50 after the sale. They are 2 carats in each ear. I do own these. I own many, many sizes because I had been trying throughout the years to decide if I wanted diamond studs, and I ended up going with diamond hoops instead. But that is my picks for the sale. And are you going to be shopping it? Do you have a big list? I don't have a huge list. I've told you the things that I plan on getting, if they're still available, and if they're not, well, that's how it goes. I hope you have an amazing day today, and I hope to talk to you again very soon, and I hope to have my voice back. Take care. Bye-bye.